and it should bring you to this page here. Now all the Gale databases should look more or less similar to this. So you're always going to kind of have a basic search option and then also an advanced search option. I always recommend doing advanced search. That's always going to give you the most opportunities to use as many keywords as possible to really refine your search and make your results a little more relevant. Now for the basis of this example, I'm just going to use one single search term, but with any major research you're doing, you'll probably have at least 2 or 3 search terms to kind of help kind of make your search a little more relevant and narrow your results a little more. But for the sake of this example, we're going to keep it pretty simple. I'm going to go climate change as my search. We're going to go ahead and search there. And then once you search, you should get a list of results. Now again, it's going to depend and it's going to vary in terms of how many you get or kind of the types of results you get depending on how you did that first search. If you had multiple search terms, it's probably not going to be 28,000, but it could. It just really depends on your topic. But what you're going to do is you're going to see all of these, and what this is going to do is, as you can see here, you already have one applied filter. It's going to be full text. So all of these should be full text articles related to the search terms that you put in at the beginning of the search. You can also limit these further. So if you would like to only have peer-reviewed, so let's say you're looking for scholarly-based articles, then you would want to click that to make sure that you keep these articles in a scholarly manner. But if you are looking for newspaper or magazine articles as well, I wouldn't actually click that right away. You can also limit these searches to newspapers and to magazine articles if you are searching for those types of resources. But if you are searching for, again, academic articles, scholarly articles, peer-reviewed articles, then you would click this. So we're going to go ahead and do that just for the sake of this example. And then you would just scroll through. As you'll see, all of these will say peer-reviewed right here. They'll have a little check mark in peer-reviewed, so that way you know that these articles are peer-reviewed in nature. So let's say you want to use this article. Just click this, and it'll bring up the article page here. And so you'll have your full text article here. You can actually scan through, read it on here if you want to. You will have source citation options down here at the very bottom. If you do want some citation information, you can also get that at the top. You can click that. You can get all of your options there. You can also send this information to yourself, so you can email it to yourself, which is what I always recommend doing. You can get it as a full text. You can get it as a PDF. You can also send it as a citation. Normally what I recommend is just doing it as a PDF. A lot of times when you get the email, it will include the citation information for you and the permanent link. But just to be on the safe side, a lot of times what I'll go ahead and recommend doing is getting your citation information, copying that, and then pasting it into the message just to guarantee that you do get that citation information. But as I said, you should get it with the emails. That's why I always recommend emailing it, because usually it's going to give you all of that information, and you can also get it as a PDF. Sometimes it won't offer the PDF, it'll only offer it as a full text, but if you get the option for the PDF, I gotta say go ahead and take it. And then you can also download it, you can also print it, and you can also get your permanent link. Now the permanent link is extremely important, especially if you aren't going to actually email this information to yourself, or if you're just copying links to get back to articles. You will always want to use the permanent link to get back to the article and not the URL up here. This URL becomes trash once you actually cancel out of the browser. So once you actually cancel out of this, you're done with it. If you copied and pasted this URL, it's not actually going to take you back to the article. It's going to take you back to like an error page. So always make sure you're using this link here. So always make sure you're using the permanent link. You'll take that, you'll copy and paste this link somewhere, and then you'll be good to go. It'll bring you back here. And again, usually when you email the information to yourself, it automatically includes that permanent link for you. So usually emailing is good to go, because either way you get the article with the email. So it's kind of foolproof here. You're saving yourself a lot of hassle by emailing the information to yourself. But again, also if you do just want to collect links, make sure you use that one. And that's basically it. Again, it's very straightforward. It's very easy to search Gale. And once you kind of get it down in one of the Gale databases, it kind of falls into place in all the others. There may be slight variations with some of them. For the most part, they're all going to search the same. So I hope that was useful. I hope you are now going to be a master at searching Gale databases, especially Gale Academic OneFile. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, please get in contact with us. You can always find our email under Contact Us, email, reference@coker.edu. We'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And yeah, so thanks for viewing, and I hope you have a great day.